Welcome guys back to my channel. This is Chef Linden in Houston. Today's video I'm going to make a pineapple, apple and ginger drink. And the reason why I'm going to make this, I made it the other day while going to gym in the morning and I was surprised. You do this, make this drink, you don't need any tablets because this thing will wake you up. This is full of all of this combined together. Loads of energy, packed with energy, and give you a continuous full burst of energy while you're in the gym. So stay tuned. So I did have a piece where already peeled. So I'll just cut a bit of that. So just drop it in. You can leave the skin on this. But when I make it, I don't like bits in my drink, so I will strain it off. I just need a bit of this pineapple. So I'll take about this. Then I'll take the skin off. This, don't throw this away. I'll show you what you can do. Straight away I can turn this into some tea. I'm going to drop this in. Give it a bit of wipe. I'm going to add about 400 ml of liquid in this. Pop the lid on. So now it's ready. So as I said before, I don't like bits in my drink. So I'm just going to strain it off a bit. Let it drain off. Set this aside. So now it's ready. I'll just pour it out. This is what it looked like, guys. I have my metal straw, just put it there. Then I'm gonna top it off. Just gonna add a bit of decoration onto it. Just gonna cut a sliver of this. It's natural sugar in this. Alright, thanks for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and leave positive comment. Thank you all for watching. Peace be unto you guys.